I'm not impressed at all. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Gonna paint some green spots on the tractor. I'm gonna paint this stuff in place. Paint this green, and then if I have any overspray, I could cover it with the black. I'm gonna let that dry, guys, and we'll do another round on that. Let me go to the other side and see what we can get. All right, guys, I got the cameras repositioned. I taped off a bunch of stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna let that dry and get back to that. Right now, I got the rear end up on jack stands. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tires off, so this way I can. I want to paint the rims on these tires. I got new tires coming for the front, so that's gonna be a little bit. Plus, I want to continue on. I want to try painting the frame, and I want to paint the body, which I'm sure you guys can hopefully see in the distance. If not, you should be able to see it now. I want to paint the body. All right, so I got my my air compressor. Guys, it's 5/8 for it. It's gonna get a little noisy, guys. I gotta turn the compressor on. Got the tires off. I know they're dry rotted, you can see that. They hold air, so I'm gonna run them for a bit. I figured the easy way out is spending $7 on a can of yellow paint. Right now I'm just gonna take some sandpaper and clean this up. I gotta get a tack rag. I gotta get a rag and some water and make a tack rag out of it so I can clean this when I'm done scraping up the surface. All right, guys, I don't want to go too crazy because I am going to replace these tires and probably get rims with it. I just want to, I know it's the inside, it's a lot of dirt and a bit of rust. Let's get this side. All right. So guys, this is that Farm Implement yellow. Picked it up at Lowe's. It's not the real John Deere yellow, but it's supposed to be pretty close. Give it a shot. Okay, now that we got that taped up, hopefully I can keep it inside. I don't know if you guys can see. It is getting dark out. Maybe this isn't shucking up enough. It's very watery. To be honest with you guys, I don't like this yellow at all. It's too watery. It's like there's something wrong with it. Hopefully I'm giving you good feedback on this yellow implement paint. I got it, like I said, I picked it up from Lowe's. It was like $7. I'm not impressed at all. It's the next day, and I'm trying to, I know I was talking about this Farm Implement yellow paint. I'm not impressed with it, but I'm gonna give it one more shot. I don't really want to go too crazy if this thing's not gonna take the paint. All right, well, that's one coat. That's our 2 coats. Let's see how that dries and see how it comes out. I mean, it is, you know, it's just very watery. Maybe there's not enough pigment in the paint, but it's not as good as the other paints. We're gonna be just lightly sanding the body panels, and then I'll wipe them down. I got one side panel, and then I got the whole body piece here. All right, here we go. Throw some water on a rag. Let that soak in a little bit, and we'll just wipe it down. I'm going to use a little primer. I don't have much left, but as you can see in the footwells, there's some rust. Alright guys, well, I'm going to let this dry, then I'll come back and I'll hit it with the green. Going to put another coat on the rims of the John Deere 210. Just to give you a heads up, guys, this paint is garbage. It's absolute garbage. And just, you know, I probably got duped. Make sure you check the dates on the bottom. Looks like this is some old paint, but I'm never gonna buy this again. This is garbage. I got a couple hours, maybe an hour left, maybe half an hour left of daylight time, and I want to start painting off the John Deere 210. Here we go. Using black. I'm using high performance enamel. Picked it up at Lowe's. I think it was like $8 or $9 for a can, and just gonna start painting it. I just don't want to paint the brakes or the pulleys or anything, so using a piece of cardboard just to protect it. It's coming out amazing with the black. It's finally starting to pop. And if you guys are like me, when it comes to hard work, it's hard to stop. You just want to keep going. Alright guys, it's getting dark. Having trouble seeing, although I think it came out pretty damn good from the little bit that I did. I could really, tomorrow will be another day, and tomorrow I'll go through it and fine tune it, and I think we're gonna work on tackling the transmission fluid, because I really want to get that all redone, because then once that's done, I could start putting her back together. We know it fires up, because I rebuild the carb and I rebuild the fuel pump, and then I just gotta wait for the front tires to come in the mail. I think I'm going to be ordering some rear tires. I am not impressed with the yellow paint. Don't forget to drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. What can I do better? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and catch you on the next one, guys. This is turning out pretty good. So don't forget, hard work feels good. See you guys.